Here with our 1959 Sorg 15 Runabout Willow. We put a new battery in today. We're going to get some fresh fuel, play with her in the next few days. I thought we could do it today, but the winds come up and got remnants of a tropical low off the coast, so went ahead and put the cover back on. Had some folks asking some cover questions. So here's some of the features that Willow's cover has. She's got a little ridge pole just after the midships. The cover goes back right over here over the outboard motor, and it comes down past the first strake just below the gunnel. The folks that built it, they put nice reinforced tabs for the tie downs, and a good size pocket with a little drawstring in it. And up here we've got reinforcements around where the cover goes over the windshield, and then there's more reinforcements up on the bow. I don't know, we're going to walk out here and Willow's shielding me from the wind right now, so I don't know if you'll be able to hear the restaurant. So we'll just move into showing you the overall view and the bow.